how to understand the spiral roundabouts A1231 East, A19 South. Proceeding down the acceleration lane, building up speed in order to join the A1231. On approach, make sure you check your blind spot, mirrors indicate, then emerge onto the A1231 at the end of the acceleration lane. The first sign tells us to follow the A19 South. And the second sign gives us the choice of 3 lanes. Given the choice, the left is best, which is the middle lane in this case. The big roundabout sign confirms we're going to take the third exit, A19 to Teesside, the A19 South. Approaching the roundabout, the road markings confirm A19 South, both the middle lane and the lane on the right. Making progress forward, staying in the middle lane, being aware of the traffic which is on our right hand side and on the left hand side. Indicating right to let the traffic know that we're turning right. Turning right in the middle lane, we'll then spiral to the left hand lane, and when we pass the brown sign, indicate left up to the junction, making progress, staying in the left hand lane, increasing to the road speed. Down the acceleration lane, and at the bottom of this bank the road becomes 3 lanes. We'll stay in the left hand lane and accelerate up the hill towards the A183.